Back to disabled and prepping. You guys wanted to, well, I'm pretty sure that you guys want to know a little bit about these, or at least my experience with these, actually. Um, they are kind of sticky. Uh, so they leave like the stickiness on your fingers when you get them, and you can't even get them really out of the bottle. See? You have to pry them out. Like even just banging on that thing, I can't get them out. Um, like I said, they're very sticky. So it's hard. I finally got one, but you're supposed to have two. Let's see the directions. 2 gummies is a serving, and so it's like they are stuck in there. You have one heck of a time trying to get them out. It's crazy. I mean, if you're gonna make something that's supposed to be a supplement to get them, make them able to be getting so you can get them out of the bottle. I mean, it's cold out, so it's not even summer like where they melted together or anything. They're just so sticky. I mean, you can see the stickiness on this one, and if I touch it, it leaves stickiness on my finger. It's just gross. Um, to take a supplement that is so stuck in the bottle that you have to fight to get it out, isn't very helpful. Now, on the good part is they do taste very good. Once you can get them out of the bottle to take them, they are very good. But you need to take 2 a day. So this is 1 month supply if you take it by the directions. But people, this company, if you ever watch my video, doubt that you will, but just in case you do, you need to fix this. They're stuck in the bottle. I mean, I had to dig yesterday's out. I got one out today by shaking it. I just don't. They do have a very good flavor. I mean, and they're easy to chew, but they are not easy to get out of the container. Well, that's my rant for today. Hopefully, I don't like really doing rant videos, but this is something if you're gonna if you're gonna be using, um, like supplements, the company should at least make it so you can get it out of the bottle. I mean, I can dig down in there, but it's all sticky. The inside is even all sticky. So I just got some on the side of my hand now, or my finger. It's just gross. I mean, I'm sure kids don't mind getting sticky, but this isn't for kids. Um so yeah, I'm not too happy on that. So that's kind of my review on this so far. Is I do like the flavor. This is a mixed berry flavor, but it's really hard to get out of the container, and if you dig them out with your fingers, you get all sticky. So then you got to go find something to get them out with, so you don't get all sticky. Why doesn't the company just fix that? Like, I don't know, put some kind of powdered coating over it, or I don't know. I mean, it's not healthy, but a sugar coating or something. Something so they don't stick in a big clump. I mean, you can see they're clumped to the bottle even. They're stuck there because of and you can see all this part here. That's all the stuff that makes them sticky. It, I don't know. All right, I'm sorry, people. I don't mean to keep ranting about this. It's 4 minutes already of me ranting about how these are sticky. Also, the apple cider vinegar ones are sticky too, but these are the worst so far. Um, when I open the apple cider vinegar bottle of gummies, I will show you those too. But I'm gonna give these a try first and see if these have any, like, if I notice anything different. But all right, everybody, have a great day. Stay safe. May God bless you overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you and your family safe. Bye for now.